Microorganisms are present everywhere around us, in soil, air, water, or even inside the human body. However, 99% of those microorganisms cannot be recovered directly using the conventional laboratory extraction methods. What is the solution then? The answer lies in the field of metagenomics. Metagenomics is the study of recovery of the genetic material present within complex environmental samples. Instead of isolating and growing individual microorganisms, the combined genome of all the microorganisms are extracted using this technology. In the next step, the next generation sequencing technologies are utilized to sequence millions of DNA fragments simultaneously. All these DNA fragments represent the combined genome or the metagenome of an environmental samples. In the next step, bioinformatic tools are utilized to assemble, annotate, and study the functional potential of the sequenced data. This helps identify the microbial species and predict their functional potential, such as nutrient recycling, energy metabolism, or pathogenic potential. Overall, metagenomics has transformed several domains. It helps in the identification of novel microorganisms that can predict the pathogenicity or the advancement of certain diseases. In agriculture, it helps in crop protection and soil fertility. In biotechnology, it helps in identification of novel enzymes or bioactive compounds. To summarize, metagenomics provides a comprehensive view of microbial structure, diversity, and their functional potential within an environment. It helps in identification of novel microorganisms without the need for their cultivation. It is a powerful tool for understanding complex microbial ecosystems and their potential to transform various domains of scientific and industrial importance. I hope you liked our introductory video on metagenomics. In the next series of videos, we are going to discuss about metagenomics in detail. Finally, it's a humble request, if you like our video, then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, as majority of our viewers do not subscribe to our channels. I'll be seeing you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video.